Give the two possible integers for the placeholders in each of the following cases. So placeholder, the first part is less than 0. So the
मैम
placeholder,
आपकी क्लास हो गई थी
the
मैम
integer less than 0, you have to write down two integers which are less than 0. ये less than का sign है. So number line पे आपने 0 draw करें. 0 is the middle point. These are directed numbers like 1, 2, 3, and
मैं
so
ये ड्रॉ
on.
करना है
जी, जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो आपने भी करना है. Towards the left hand side, -1, -2, -3, and there is no end to both sides. Directed numbers are there, positive towards the right hand side and negative numbers towards the left hand side of 0. So n is less than 0. You have to mention two integers. अब less than होंगे तो जाहिर है आपकी movement किधर होगी? Towards left
मैम
side.
हमने बनाना है
On the number line from 0 to left, you have to show two integers. 0 से left करें तो दो integers कौन से जो less than 0 हैं? They are -1 answer. -1, -2. So integers less than 0 are -1 and -2. You have to mention two integers. The placeholder, the first integer is given to you less than 0. You have to mention two integers which are less than 0. They are -1 and -2. On the number line, you can see that less than 0 towards the left hand side, there are so many integers, but less than 0, 2 are -1 and -2. Question number 3 is saying, again, I'm repeating the question 3. Give two possible integers for the placeholders in each of the following cases. And in the first part, you have given less than 0. So less than 0, two integers are -1 and -2, as you can see on the number line. You can make it, draw the number line and mention all the positive and negative integers. Mention 0 in the center. 0 is neither positive nor negative. This is the smallest whole number. And the set of integers comprises the set of whole numbers and negative integers. So less than 0, two integers are -1 and -2. This is the answer for the first part of question, that -1 and -2 are the two integers which are less than 0. Second part is you have to mention two integers which are greater than -2. Look. Second part. The question is greater than -2. Two integers which are greater than -2. So here on the number line again, look, the numbers which are greater than -2 are towards the right hand side, and mention these two integers. These are greater than, both are greater than -2. And in the answer you will say greater than -2, two integers are -1 and 0. Answer for the second part. Greater than -2. On the number line, see, -2 is here, and two integers which are greater will move towards the right hand side of integers, and you will get the greater integers than -2. And the first one is -1 and then 0. You have to mention only two integers which are greater than -2. The third part. In the third part, the question is saying the two integers which are less than minus 3, less than minus 3. So you have to mention less than minus 3. Move towards the left hand side of number line, and you will see that minus 4 and minus 5 are the two integers which are less than minus 3. This is the answer to the third part. Look, number line is here. minus 3 से जब आपने less बताने हैं तो see, we will draw the number line. We'll extend our number line. So minus 4 and minus 5 towards the left hand side. Less than minus 3, you have got minus 4 and minus 5, two integers which are at the left of the number line. So when you go left, the numbers are decreasing. When you go right, the numbers are increasing. So less than means smaller than the given integer. So smaller than the given integer, minus 3 is answer. Minus 4 and minus 5, two of the integers. This is the third part of third question. Okay. Now I have given you the homework, the fourth question, and you must did it. I hope so. And that was, the question was, which one is greater? Minus 111 is greater than minus 1111. This was the correct answer for the question number 4. Minus 111, 111 is greater than minus 1111. This was your homework. I'm just repeating the answer. Now, fifth question is question number 5. It is saying arrange the following sequences of integers in decreasing order. Now you have to set the given numbers as in first part you have given minus 5, 2, minus 3, and 0. So these are the 4 integers given to you. You have to set all the integers in their decreasing order. So decreasing order means you have to mention the greatest number first in the answer. Decreasing order of the given integers will be, you have to mention the greatest number first, 2, comma, then 0, comma, minus 3, comma, minus 5 is the last smallest integer. So this is the decreasing order. The greater number, then the smaller, and then the smallest. 4 numbers are given to you, 4 integers are given to you. The greatest one is 2, then smaller is 0, then comes minus 3, then minus 5. Given in the question, these 4 integers. So you have to give the decreasing order of these integers. So write down 2 first, then 0, then minus 3, and then minus 5. You can see on the number line. The places of these integers, like I am doing. If 0 is here, 1 and 2, so towards the negative side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and then comes in the n minus 5. So look, the sequence will be, first you have to write down 2, then after 2 the smaller number is. You are going towards the left hand side of number line to show the decreasing order. So 2, then 0, then minus 3, and then minus 5 on the number. So this is the decreasing order of the given integers on the number line. 2, 0, minus 3, minus 5, the smallest. This was the first part of your question 5. Decreasing, show the decreasing order of given numbers. So I have shown all the integers on the number line. You can see the decreasing order. You are going left and you are showing the decreasing order on the number line also. This was the answer. Then the second part is there. Second part of question number 5. The numbers are 1, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 5, and the fourth number, the fourth integer is 4. So you have to show the decreasing order of the given numbers. The greatest number is 4, then 1, then minus 2, and in the end, minus 5. This is the decreasing order of the given numbers. Part 2 of question number 5. The numbers, the integers given to you are 1, minus 2, minus 5, and 4. Their decreasing order is 4, then the smaller number 1, then minus 2, then minus 5. You are going left of the left towards the at the number line. Question number 5, part 3. Okay, part 3 is minus 1, minus 2. You have to give again the decreasing order 4 and 2. 4 and 2. These are the 4 integers. You have to mention the decreasing order of these integers. So write down decreasing order. So the decreasing order of the given numbers is 4, the greatest one. Then the smaller number is 2, then minus 1, then minus 2 in the end. This is the smallest number. So this is the decreasing order of the given 4 integers. Part 3, question number 5. Okay, the last question of exercise, we will do the 6 questions. 6 question of exercise 5A. We're doing exercise 5A. Question number 6. Problem sum is there. 2 buses left Hyderabad on the same day. One traveled 170 kilometers towards Lahore, while the other traveled 66 kilometers in the opposite direction. Find the distance between the 2 buses at the end of the day. So you have to add the total distance for the total distance by covered by the 2 buses at end of day. But you know that both are uh, traveling opposite to each other. They are opposite to each other. So we will write down the equation like this. 170 kilometer so for the opposite side, and 66 minus 66 kilometer towards the Hyderabad, towards the Lahore, in the opposite direction. So like signs gives you positive signs. So add up both the quantities and you will get the total distance in the end, which is, do the rough work, 170 added to 66 gives you 236. So the total distance in the end is 236 kilometer covered by the both buses. Total, write down the statement in the end. Total distance covered by the two buses is 236 kilometers. This is the problem sum, question number 6. You have to add up because minus into minus in the bracket gives you plus. So plus 66, add up 170 to 66, you'll get 236 kilometers. The total distance, this is the rough work and the statement of the question. Total distance covered by the two buses is 236 kilometers.